Hello my friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I am going to be doing another Dollar Tree haul for you today. But funny enough, this Dollar Tree haul is long overdue because this is a lost bag that I found in my closet when I was going through some stuff and kind of organizing a little bit, because what else are we doing? What else? You know, we have tons of time on our hands. So I was organizing some stuff and I had found this bag that I put all the stuff in, and I was like, oh, totally forgot I had this. So I thought I want to go ahead and share it with you. I do think it's been a couple weeks, but it's still out there in the world. And I just thought, you know what, I'm just gonna have some content on my channel just to keep connected with you guys and to, you know, show you some fun stuff that you can potentially get at the Dollar Tree. This particular Dollar Tree does have the craft corner, like the one that I went to get all this stuff, does have like the bigger section for the crafters corner, or crafter square, I should say. So, you know, it is a bigger one. So, you know, I don't know how many of those actually are out there, but I do see, like, within the last couple of weeks before this whole virus stuff was happening, I was seeing more and more like out when more and more stores getting kind of the crafter scare stuff. So I think the more popular it gets and the more people are buying it, I think more stores will start carrying it. So anyway, so I just thought I'd share this with you just to, you know, give you something to watch, give you something to pass the time. So I did pick up a couple of, so I picked these up. I have another one. No. So I picked these up because I was going to start bullet journaling, and I haven't actually been keeping up with my bullet journal. I really did January, and that's about it. You know, February kind of sort of did, but then March just completely fell apart. So I haven't been doing it. Maybe I'll pick it up again. Maybe I'll start doing it again. I don't know. I did enjoy doing it, but that's what I picked this stuff up for, that purpose. So I needed some mechanical pencils, so I picked these ones up. And then I also wanted just some like really nice pencils. I have no idea if these are nice, but they're like different. They're like artist quality. So I thought maybe they would like make, like when I'm, you know, when you're penciling out your lines and stuff, I thought, well, maybe I can use these and maybe it'll work better. And funny thing is, they don't have an eraser, so I don't know how good those are. I picked up these metallic markers. I haven't tried these yet. I should try them in my planner. Maybe I'll do that after this video. And then, or I should say my bullet journal. And then I found these glitter markers, also kind of the same line of maybe adding some color to my bullet journal. And then I did try the gray one just to see what it was like on a piece of paper. So yeah, so those are the ones that I bought for that. And again, maybe I'll try them I'll try them after. And then I went ahead and picked up a couple of stencils for letters. So those two. And then I also picked up this stencil because I thought this would be cool for like a travel theme or something like that. I love the arrows in here. So I picked up those stencils. This one is not the sticky kind. So I think this one is, though. Let's open it and find out. Oh no, it's not the sticky kind. I don't think. They're sticky. No. Nope, this is not a sticky kind either. But I still think they work good. I've used them, the other ones like this. Okay, and then these are all rub-on transfers. So this is a gold foil kind of USA. Thought that I would use this for like the 4th of July. I loved this little Bon Appetit. I have no idea if you're able to see that. So sorry if there's a huge glare and you're not even able to see it in the camera. But I love the roses and the table setting. I thought that was really cute. And then here is another foiled one. It's got, no idea here, maybe like that. Can you see it a little better? So gold foil. And then I picked up these. I thought this would be, I liked this because it kind of gave me an Alice in Wonderland vibe. I don't know why. Kind of feel, I don't know why. So yeah, I thought that would be maybe kind of cool to do an Alice in Wonderland. And then this one. And then I got 2 of these because I really liked just the plain aspect of these. I love how the different vowels have the little underlining under them. And then I picked up this one. I found a lot of these rub-ons. I was really happy that I found all these rub-ons. And then that one and this one. I bought 3 of these because I felt like these look kind of piratey, and I thought maybe I could use them in my pirate journal. I have a Pirates of the Caribbean junk journal that I made, and I thought that this would be kind of cool to maybe put some words or letters in that journal. Maybe put some phrases, like stuff that the pirates said in the movie. So yeah, so that is what I bought. So let's go ahead, since this video is fairly quick, let's go ahead and throw out my journal here. And then I'm just going to go to the back here and test out some of these. I already hauled these, but I had put these in there as well, because I was thinking about making like a little journaling book. Oh, you know what? I might as well show you this too. So I had these 2 that I bought at Daiso Japan. These are pretty cool because they are actual stickers. So they have it's like a full page sticker of the months of the year with the little kitties at the top. I thought those were really cute. So yeah. So that's that. I tested out the brush pen right here for that one. And what I use that for is like right here when I had it, I have it so it has the hours of the week. And then I just use the brush pen to kind of go across it, so I can, I can figure out which line, is which line. So yeah, I haven't done too much in here. So let's see how this metallic pen works. I think I'll just make a little square. That's kind of like a darker copper. Ooh, I like the silver. That one does not work very well. This one's probably the only one that doesn't have a real metallic feel, but the silver, I feel like the silver works really well. Let's see. Can you guys see that? Is it focused? So those are pretty cool. I definitely like the silver and probably the gold the best. I don't really know what's going on with that one, but that's cool. And then let's see, I tested out, don't know where I tested this one at, but let's test this silver glitter. Not really seeing lots of glitter. I'm going to test it in 2 squares. Does it show on the back? Nope. Ooh. I guess it's one of those pins where you have to oh, yep. I see it. It's coming. I don't really see a whole lot of glitter. Oh, that's a pretty blue. I can definitely see the glitter in that one. Oh, it's interesting because the more it dries, you can kind of see it a little bit better. Okay, here's the purple one. Ooh, that is a dark purple. Okay, and the green one, I don't really want to use another line. I'm just going to go over here. Yeah, they definitely have a glitter to them. It's got like a silver glittery, and starting them is kind of a pain, but definitely interested to see how the yellow is. Huh. Yeah. Let's see, can you see them on the other side? There's a little tiny bit of shadowing, but those are pretty cool. I like those. All right, well, that is all that I wanted to share with you today. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you again real soon. Bye for now.